Good morning, sir. Myself, Rajini K. Kupusamy, MBA. My career objective, sir, is to be your most hardworking slave employee, sir. Sir, I am very passionate about my work, sir. I can do anything to keep you happy. I can manage the cash, accounts, software, hardware, customers, phone calls, everything, sir. Sir, I will work overtime, sir, but I will not ask for overtime. I will get Employee of the Year award twice a year, every year, sir. Sir, I have only one small weakness, sir. I cannot able to say, "Illa, sir, you ask me to skip the lunch, come and work in the weekend, sir." I will say, "Yes, sir." You ask me to do everyone else's work, sir. I will say, "Yes, sir." Coming to my salary package, I just have one humble request, sir. I just want thoda sa peanuts for my work, sir. Ama, sir.